Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing with you a really tasty recipe for some coconut fudgy brownies. It's a BBC Good Food recipe, so I will leave that link down below. But as you can see here, I'm just weighing out 250 grams of butter, and you're going to melt that in the saucepan and mix in with your cocoa and your sugar. So I just weighed mine straight into my pan. And then you need 100 grams of cocoa. I've gone for a good quality organic cocoa. You can obviously use anything you like, but this one I picked up from Sainsbury's is really tasty. And then you need some golden caster sugar as well. The recipe does say 500 grams of golden caster sugar, which I felt was quite a lot. So I actually only used 350 grams and they were more than sweet enough. You then just want to melt all of those ingredients together on the hob until your sugar and your butter has dissolved into the cocoa. And then you're going to weigh out 100 grams of self-raising flour and 100 grams of desiccated coconut. And that just gets mixed in with the chocolatey, buttery mix with 4 eggs. Once all of your ingredients are well combined, you just want to line approximately a 21 centimetre square tin with some greaseproof paper and pop your mix in the oven for about 35 minutes on 180 degrees, which is gas mark 4, until it's springy to touch. Allow to cool and cut into pieces. I've cut mine into 16 and it is a really fudgy, soft, delicious brownie. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, don't forget to subscribe for more foodie videos, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye.